Certainly not your average everyday beach bum.
Can you give us right in the boat? Please? No, please?
She's working so hard today, it's incredible. Very. Tony, go up to him, okay? She's my second cousin. Not if you can get away with it.
Hey, they'll make sure they're at the next race in Kentucky.
You ever seen the deliverance? I'm down there on the beach with who? Joe Simmons. What exactly is it you're doing here, Tony? What's Interested Individuals? It's a TV program, so I'm chilling out there with Toni and Shimano for interesting individuals. And what exactly do we accomplish with this show? We need to see that again.
Get out of the way.
Okay, so it's like welcome to Richard Davis, interesting individuals. Who are you down here shooting with that's interesting today? A lot of highness, is it, guys? What about poor Snowball over there? Look at Snowball, how's that? See, when you were... Snowball is an interesting individual. I think Travis Church right there, too. He's working on my boat for me. He's pretty interesting. You can make it over on my boat. That's all I got this scratch there on my back. Actually, you didn't really run me over on this tail. Hard. So, Tony, what exactly are we going to accomplish here today by getting you and I together? You look pretty good. I know I look pretty good right now, but we'll go from there. Here, and we'll get ready to go. The next couple of watches here is actually the Thomas Ski These guys.
Just throw it away and get another piece. Nice. All right. Should I get down on my knees?
Yeah, it makes me look taller.
Do you want me to really for fooling around or? Huh?
Just try to look smaller.
Whatever.
Oh yeah. Waste any time. I'll tell you, Toni got here to the beach and the MC put her on camera and gave her all types of exposure. I'll tell you, every year coming to this jet ski event, it's worth it, isn't it?
Oh yeah, I love it here. The guys are really personable and why not? Extreme sports has been really good to me and so have you, Bill.
Oh, well, that's nice to know. So when are you going to get that big check and a big contract some of these times?
Oh, I'm thinking now that I have to work some of this weight off from the baby, maybe.
Go ahead and tell everybody.
Surprise! No, I thought everybody should know if they see me changing over the shows, it's because I had a baby. She's now 3 months old.
Towards the end of March, and please tell us her name.
Shaylee McKenzie May.
I want to thank Mark Lawson, who is a friend of yours, who's down here at the beach. He's helping us out a little bit with camera.
Yeah, so pretty soon here you'll see me working it up and I'll be back in shape and out there getting the contracts.
All right, Toni, have fun.
Thanks, you too.
Real briefly, Tim.
I'm a little over.
It's on.
It's
on, it's ready to go.
Lean it on your shoulder.
Well,
Zoom in, zoom out.
I can't put it in my phone.
All right, where does it show the where I'm at here? Oh, okay. I got to take the glasses off.
Just an establishing shot. Hop down here, Tom.
Know that.
Hop down here, three of us.
Three of us?
Please. Sure, man, you know how to get out of that.
Absolutely. It does.
I called her the day she had it. How's it look, Tim?
Good.
You'd be like Santa Claus.
All right. right.
Did you get her on film?
No, I didn't. But not, oh, well, she was sitting down at a table. All right, okay, is it running?
Exactly, my head will be in this.
We're just going to say hi, you're doing your job.
Doing my job.
All right, anytime now?
Well, he's like,
What do I gotta,
I'm doing my job.
do I gotta hit anything here?
I'm sorry.
Hi, I'm doing my job. Do I have to hit any buttons here?
No, you're fine. Can you get us? You can just,
Yeah.
you just zoom in. Are you see it zooming in? Zooming out? Do you see it doing that?
Yeah.
Just be conservative. You don't have to worry about a lot of footage.
All right.
I know I'm throwing you in the fire on this.
So it's recording now, right?
It's recording, and
You'll
just give me a
edit
few
it.
seconds and I'll start it up. Hang on, translator. I knew it would be only a matter of time before she got into trouble, and joining us now is Sergeant Johnny Hudson, Michigan City Police Department. What did she do? I don't know, wander off for a few minutes.
Distracted way too much attention.
You got the cuffs on and everything?
Oh yeah.
What's the desk officer going to say when she walks in like that? He'll have to search her. No, you'll have to do that.
That won't take long, Bill.
We're not causing too much trouble.
I'm sure it'll be trouble later, not yet.
Security microphone or what?
You know what, we've had the volleyball game, and bikinis. We've had that
You're not going to kick her out of Michigan City, are you?
No, I don't think so. I think we're going to let Toni stay.
Well, she's got the right last name, Simmons. Simmons? John, good talking to you.
Thanks, Bill.
Oh, you know, I never wanted to change my name.
Thank you. Thanks very much.
Where do you live in?
Thank you. I know that was tough for you.
Oh,
Thank you.
what the heck are you doing over here?
Good.